Hey, everybody, and welcome to our um, second weekly analysis. It is Wednesday, July 17th, and we are going to be taking a look at what's going on in the markets right now. So, hello to those of you who are with us live at the moment.
Hello.
Hello, hello to those of you who are watching the replay. Um, At this time, we're just going to ask that you mute yourself, please, so that we can have Barry go through the analysis. And when we are done with the analysis, we will
Now, do you
allow
hear me, guys?
for some time. Can you please mute yourself for me?
Okay, but am I the only one here?
Yes, you are. At this time, yes. Um, but we just want to ask that you save your questions till the end of the analysis. And then, any questions you have about the pairs we look at, or if you want us to look at some pairs for you, we can do that. And or if you have any technical analysis questions, we can answer those for you too. All right, other than that, I am going to pass pass it over to Barry.
Thank you, Ria. Yeah, so the market has been really wild from like yesterday till today. So yeah, let's just quickly have a look at the market then. So we have our six pairs that we look at. That's USD Mexican, dollar yen, euro dollar, CAD Swiss, pound yen, and gold. So we're going to start off first with USD Mexican. And I believe there's been an update to C Trader because this used to be in the middle. But either ways, let's get right into it. So yeah, with USD Mexican, we seem to now be forming a consolidation, as we can already see. So we're just quickly gonna go through all of these pairs. So yeah, we're just a consolidation. We're still waiting for price to move up into this area. Then we can be looking for some buying opportunity, or sorry, selling opportunity. Then we can continue this downward move to the downside. But as of now, we do nothing. Then the next pair, which we'll look at, is dollar yen. Dollar yen has been crashing for days. Yeah, so from last week, we had this intervention from the Bank of Japan, and it seems to now just be doing a continuation to the downside. And we seem to be reaching a level of support, which is right here. So most likely, we are going to continue pushing further down till we make another new low. And then this area could be a good area of interest right there. Or it can be aiming for this pin bar because like the market is really attracted to pin bars the most. So we may actually see the market even go beyond this support, then come to this pin bar over there, then start to reverse to the upside. Because this intervention from Japan was a bit artificial because in order for them to actually make their currency more attractive, they need to go away from zero interest rates. So, yeah, that's what we are looking at. So, as of for US dollar yen, yeah, we'll be looking for more downside. But of course, I will only be buying it if I see a reversal on the same particular pair of US dollar yen. Another pair we have to look at is Euro USD. So overall, across the whole board, US dollar hasn't been performing really well because, yeah, it's being beaten by a lot of currencies. So like Euro dollar has been going up for quite a while. We had this push up. We thought that this would maybe be an area that it may reverse to, but it seems like we're still going. Yeah, we have still different levels of resistance with that we are touching with euro dollar. But let's see, is this a pin bar? No, this is not a pin bar. So we may most likely be coming all the way up here to the level of 109,500 or slightly above that. Yeah, so we may even be going even to 110. This is the pin bar, so we can go above this level and then maybe we can reverse from here. So I can actually even like draw a mark here. So this is a level that would be of interest for where the market can reverse to for this coming week, since we have been just going up to the upside, but what goes up must come down even just for a pullback. So that's what we are anticipating with euro dollar. So we haven't yet reached that level. So yeah, we are very close to that. So we may obviously see an upward move all the way to this area, probably even go a bit further. But until we start making new lows here, we do nothing. And then, of course, we can draw our trend line when we do make a higher low and a higher high to the upside. So once it breaks that, then we can be looking for shorts on euro dollar. Apart from that, let's move over to CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss has also been crashing to the downside. And yeah, we already passed this level of interest and there wasn't any reversal. So we are continuing to the downside. So probably support level, we may see some pullback to the upside or not, because this market seems to be going like in a free fall and may actually be targeting these other support levels. But this is too early to tell. But as of now, I'm not looking to do anything on CAD Swiss, just watching it. Next pair we're looking at is pound yen. I actually got stopped out of pound yen. I think that was yesterday, or rather it was today. Yes, I got stopped out today on pound yen. My stop loss is all the way below here, got stopped out. So a key area we're looking at probably to reverse from is here. But still, I'm waiting for confirmation now this time around from both dollar yen and pound yen to correlate with each other and actually give me convincing reason to actually jump on the yen pairs. So as of now, we're just watching it. We can still see some more downward move, just like we saw on dollar yen. So we do nothing at this current moment. And last but not least, gold. News came out that China is still not buying gold. And it crashed again. Yeah, it loves to crash at most times. So it made a new high, then crashed. So we may actually be seeing levels. Yeah, we may be seeing ourselves coming back here to this level. This is consolidation. So consolidations is levels which the market likes to come down to, pin bars and everything like that. We have a pin bar over here. So this may be our first level where we can reverse to. So that may be our first level we may reverse to. Then a second level, of course, is down here. It's a major level of interest. So we can either pull back over here, or this may be our top. Then we can just continue for a free fall all the way to a 2,300 area. So this is all for the pairs that we usually look at. But of course, the bonus is NAS 100 as usual. And yeah, right where I said we're going to come back to, we're very close there. So we continued pushing up, and now we're still pushing down, coming to this pin bar. So when price comes to this pin bar, we can actually be looking to buy this market. I'm ready to buy this market once we reach this pin bar and actually see a push to the upside. And of course, a break of trend line. That is another thing. I can't just blindly enter just because of a bullish engulfing. That can be a false hope there, because the market can then do something like this and continue going to the downside and continue crash it. So we need something convincing where we draw a trend line, wait for the market to pop up, then we enter from there, put our stop loss on the previous low, like under there, and then we aim to make a new high and make sure our risk to reward is also good enough. So that's what we're seeing on NAS 100. I believe there was also someone who said we look at S&P 500. That was on Sunday. Yeah. So still we're coming to an area of interest. We made a new high, but still this is an area of interest. There's a pin bar over here. So also this pin bar may be an area of interest, but I don't think we can even manage to like draw a trend line on this. Unless otherwise we see something convincing, but overall, I would rather wait for the market to come to this consolidation area, show us a reason to buy, then we can buy this market all the way up. But the one which is looking of good interest is, of course, NAS 100. And yeah, I am still in oil. Oil seems to have recovered from its downward move. And then, yeah, it's now going slightly coming up to where I think we're going to go up to probably make a new high over here. So that's where my take profit is. Apart from that, any other pairs, questions that you may have that we can look at this evening? Or a particular pair you'd like us to look at? Ria, do you have anything you'd like us to look at, like a pair?
Um, let me see. You went over that already.
That was CAD Swiss, not Aussie Swiss.
No. I know it was Cat Swiss. I'm in Aussie Swiss right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Um, yeah, it's trending down.
Oh, so it's just basically in correlation with CAD Swiss, not
Yeah.
all right. But
Wait, really?
but
Yes. But
yeah, we are in the consolidation area. So this may be an area of interest, but this is really a really steep downward move. Like this is parabolic. So yeah, maybe we can have something like this. Then yeah, we can possibly draw a trend line like that. Then when it breaks up, then this would be a good risk to reward, especially if like it consolidates a bit and starts to move up. Then our stop loss could be there. Then yeah, this can even be a 10-1. So this is a possibility with Aussie Swiss that may come up soon. Yeah. So any other pair apart from Aussie Swiss that you were considering?
me?
Yeah, you or anyone else?
What about the gold?
Gold. Oh yeah, we just covered gold. Um, yeah, I said that we most probably will be coming to this area. So 2400 is the first area maybe coming to, then 2300 may be the last one. So I said this may actually be a top that we have made because of the news that came in about China. So we may actually be seeing the market to move further down to here. then this could also be a buying opportunity, but I always look for shorts. So I am looking to short this market probably when we breach this level. Yeah, like if we continue moving to the downside with no reason to actually buy, then I can be aiming to take my profit even in this area. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on gold. Any other pair? Any other pair that will be of keen interest for us? Or are we all done here?
I'm okay.
Okay, great. Right. So thank you all for your time as we went to review the market and see where we are going. And yeah, you gotta stay safe. It's crazy times right now. Volatility also seems to be creeping up slowly. Since it's been a sleeping beast. So you need to keep an eye on your risk and avoid risking too much of your capital. Yeah, and take things slow, just as I am doing. And yeah, we shall be seeing everyone else next week, or rather this Sunday. Yeah, on another market analysis and see where we are going and where we have been. So if you're watching the recording, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Any other concluding comments from you, Ria?
Nope, I have none. You covered it.
Okay, awesome. All right. I guess this is where we end.